Hi everyone, welcome back to Importer Cup channel where stock is always boring. My name is KBH. Today guys, I'm featuring a Porsche 992 Carrera S. I'll show you guys all the mods that I did to this car. Check it out. So this Porsche 992, we installed the complete Techart program consisting of the front spoiler, the air outlet grille, the air frames, the side skirts. Then we have the rear part which we'll show you later on. The color combination I did to this car is a very timeless and classy look. Usually this is all painted black. I reversed it. So this is body color white plus some black accent details. Also, usually this one, the air outlet grille is black, but I made it body color white just to keep it classy. And now we're at my favorite part of the car, which is the rear. As you can see, there's a whale tail 930 Porsche inspired wing. So this is the newest product from Techart, which they call the rear spoiler trees. So usually this is painted in black, like the usual whale tail of Porsche, but I made it body color. Looks so nice in my opinion, looks so clean, just the way I like it. Then the Techart badging. The Techart kit consists of the rear diffuser. We painted the fins black. Then the whole rear diffuser is body colored. Then they call this the rear aero wing. For the exhaust of the car, we installed the Akrapovič titanium exhaust. This is a goldish, silverish, just to match the wheel, and it protrudes just a bit, so you can see the design and the logo. Also, it sounds so nice, decent, not too loud, not too quiet, just perfect for our build. Lastly, for the wheels, I installed ANRKY made in USA. The model is called RS1 in 5-lug setup. You can order it in center locks or in 5 lugs. The front is measuring 21 by 9.5 with 255/30/21 tires wrapped in Michelin PS4 tires. And this is 22 by 12.5 with 335/25/22 tires. This is brushed champagne gold with mirror polished lip and exposed hardware. I really love how this looks, especially with the step lip and the fitment that we did. It's perfect. Also, we lowered the car using a Techart adjustable spring. I lowered the car just a bit because the owner specifically told me that he wants to use it daily and he cannot go down in his car park if it's too low because this car doesn't have a front lift. Now that I've shown you all the mods that I did to this car, let's take it out for a spin. This is one of the best sports cars that I think you can buy right now. It's a very rewarding sports car to drive for daily because underneath the car lies an engine that's producing 444 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque, and I think that's enough for a daily car to use. And it's very, very easy to maximize that power. Also, this is a very, very spacious car. I mean, everything's laid out perfectly. The ride is really, really good. It's very easy to drive, and the suspension is forgivable. I always recommend to my clients that they should run this sizing for this car because it's a huge car to begin with. Not like the 991 and the 997, which is a way, way smaller 911. For now, I'm just gonna let you guys hear the Akrapovič exhaust that we installed. 3, 2, 1. So easy to drive it fast. Plus, it's a rear-wheel drive car, so it's playful. This is not the loudest that we've done on a 992 exhaust system setup, but the owner wants it really classy and super easy daily car that he can drive every day. So that's why this is the setup that we did. Very timeless, very classy. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think the 2 pulls are good enough. Comment if you like the exhaust note of this car. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Goodbye.